Good morning. We are in Hamilton today at MM Products. We've been here before and we've showcased some really cool stuff here. We're at the factory and the showroom. I'm being joined by the general manager, Rudy. Thanks for having us back.
We're welcome, Emily.
I know you guys have changed a couple of things for people that are coming in to see you guys. Yeah. Give me a little rundown.
Well, I think still the majority of it is the same. We have definitely a few more beautiful colors, as we'll see later when we go to a customer's house later on today. Okay. Gorgeous stuff. But I think still we want to emphasize the fact that our product is one piece, easy to clean, easy to maintain, and that's what we're trying to let people make more aware of.
Yeah.
We've been here 50 plus years and we really haven't done a very good job of educating Hamiltonians, Burlingtonians, or whatever we call them, that we're here. We've been here since 72, so whatever that is. And a lot of times I talk to people that nobody has a clue that we're even here. We're here. So we thought
that's our job.
That's right.
People know that you're here.
And I thought that we would do this one more time just to see. It did. Last time we got a very good response. So,
that's awesome.
So we're hoping for the same again. And we are certainly emphasizing. I think you see signs everywhere now.
Canada made.
Canada made.
Yeah.
We've got 10 people working here that we'd love to keep employed and stuff like that. So
of course.
That's the thing.
Well, let's tell people why they should try Marble-ite product in either their bathroom. I mean, you can use it in other places of your house.
Yeah, and actually with the beautiful pictures that we have now, we can do.
Whoa.
You can put these in your hallway
as
accent. Yeah, as accent walls. In your hallway.
Cool.
Like we've done houses where people walk into the house, open their front doors, and a gorgeous piece of artwork is what it is.
Oh my gosh, this is what you have over here.
Yeah, some of the new colors are here now. Emily, so you got sand, we walking on the beach.
Okay, that is really cool.
not sure about the skull and crossbones, like personally,
hey, you
but
never know.
you never
People
know.
have different styles.
You never know. But the beach, the trees, right?
Are they customizable?
They are actually. They are customized. We can actually take your photo
and put it in.
Yeah, if you wanted to do like a Jamaican waterfall in the back of your shower, we can do that. You just got to be the right high-res photo, but they can certainly do that. Yeah. And some of the tile patterns, the honeycombs, the pennies, it's crazy. So we can look like tile if people really want that tile look, Emily. But
yeah, because sometimes people,
some people do.
Now, why do you always go when it comes to tile?
Like I said, I've said many times, and to you as well, that I don't agree with tile. Tile's gotten a lot better, don't get me wrong, as far as the Schluter system goes. The way they install it now from 30 years ago where it used to leak it doesn't leak anymore. That's 100% true. The leak factor of the tiles is nowhere near what it was. But you still get the mold, because the mold grows on the back of the tile, and so you always have grout. You have tile, you have grout.
Yeah, 100%.
So a lot of people, of course, they're buying the bigger tiles, which
to
is
try and save on the
grout. But there's a lot of tile guys that won't even install those because they're not going to cut a 4-foot tile.
No.
Take the responsibility at $300 a tile. So they're not doing that. But that's definitely a better way to go.
Yeah.
But so I grew up. My father was one of the first customers here in 1972. My father started selling culture marble products. And so that's how I knew about it. I grew up with it since I was 12, type of thing. So
you're the expert. People need to come here.
Oh, they call me the Marble Master.
The Marble Master. Okay, we're going to get into more detail on that because there's a story in itself. Make sure you stay with us. We have so much more coming up on Morning Live. Well, we've moved from one of the showrooms into the more factory-like setting. And Rudy, they call you the Marble Master.
The Marble Master.
Why is that?
Well, because I've only done marble. I've never tiled a shower or bathtub area in my life. So, and any issues as far as can it be done, where it can be done, we just sold a job. I sold a job the other day. We're doing wainscoting all the way around the bathroom, 40 inches high, stuff like that people don't think about that we can do.
Yeah.
So when I go in to do the design of the room, like we'll see later today, I can picture
what you're doing.
Yeah, can picture all this and see it finished. So what we do here in the plant, though, Emily, is we have to make every piece individual, custom. Every piece is custom made. So here's what you're looking at. Here's a base. That's what we have set up for somebody who ordered that size of base. Of the drain location, we can move anywhere. We can move this little puck and put it wherever you want.
Okay, and you pour it into here.
Yeah, yeah. So we spray it with a clear coat, and then we send it down the line, and at the other side, we put whatever color they've ordered, right? I don't know what color this orders, but so that's how we do. So every piece is custom. Every piece that's made here, even a wall panel. If you got, we don't have a standard size panel. A lot of people will buy 5 foot. 3 foot.
Right.
Every one of our wall panels also has to be set up, and you can see this one, and they're custom heights.
It's big,
and whatever height. So
now I have a question for you.
Yep.
So in my shower, which isn't tile or marble, it's more of like a plastic.
Yeah.
I have like a little indent from a soap holder.
That's right.
So with the marble, could you still do that?
Well, we have soap dishes actually, and this is not a red. This is actually just our mold for the soap dish. So you can see that this is the insert. So this is actually, we can show you a finished one in a minute. But this is the mold. So this will hold like 4 or 5 bottles. There's a tier on the top. Shampoo's 5 bottles.
And this just goes in the corner.
It goes in the corner. Nice. We don't recommend. People of course look at these magazines. I hate magazines.
It's what we do.
Hate magazines. They always do in the niches, right? But you're buying our product because it's sealed. It's one piece, one big panel, no chance of leakage. Then you want to cut a hole in it and put all these silicone joints in the wall. I don't get it. So people that don't listen to me, yes, we do niches. We don't recommend them. We're there for surface mount or something like that, right? Because if you see our panels, right, we'll have a bunch here on the other side here that are ready to go. These are all jobs that are going the next week or two. So you get look at. Why would you cut a hole in that?
Well, you wouldn't want to.
Right? And if you're going to 5 years from now have a problem with our product, it'll be where the niche is. So I try to talk everybody out of them, but not everybody listens to me.
But then where are they going to put their stuff if they can't have a niche, Rudy?
Well, they got a corner. We have triangles. we have different dishes that you've seen already in the showroom. I'm sure you panned over them and stuff.
For sure. Okay, well, coming up, we're going to check into another showroom that they have here at the factory. A newer one. So make sure you stay with us for that. Okay, we're in another showroom that they have here at the factory, MM Products, and this is so cool because I have stayed at many a hotel, Rudy, where the shower
they just have a fixed piece of glass.
And it's open. And then you end up with tons of water on the floor.
That's right.
This is like the coolest little shield that comes in, and then it just kind of comes out.
It's called the shower shield.
I've never heard of a shower shield before.
So you get your one piece of glass, but it keeps when you're actually using it. It deflects in. Right?
It's super smart.
Very, very nice.
It's brilliant.
The black, of course, is very popular now. The black, the gold, believe it or not, is coming back.
It's totally back in style. Everybody loves the gold, and then it'll go out, and everyone will want to get rid of it again, and then it'll come back in.
I put the black faucets on the gold shower. But
how do you clean this? What's the best way to take care of the Marble-ite?
So cultured marble is so easy to clean, Emily. You just use any spray bottle, Tilex, Mr. Clean, Lysol, any liquid spray bottle type stuff. Easy spray it on. If you can get the habit of pulling a squeegee, you rarely have to clean our products.
Really?
Right? When you leave the shower, if you can pull a squeegee, and especially on the glass doors as well, right? If you pull a squeegee, then it keeps it clean, right?
It keeps it clean, and it keeps the other secret. Like there's nothing to clean. Like there's no grout. There's no scrubbing. There's no like getting into there's nothing. It's so smart. It is so brilliant. So these are all Marble-ite in here.
In here mainly,
But you guys also do
the cultured marble, which is more like this one here, like just basically white on white. I don't know if you can see the swirl in there.
That's pretty.
White on white, or we can put grays or blacks in there. I think you're paying past a black panel set that's in the shop right now.
That's so
so there's that. I mean, so cultured marble and Marble-ite are exactly the same. Durability, longevity, installation. Once it's up, it's done.
Yeah.
So you can't ever change it. It's just how do you want it to look, right? When we go see this customer's house in a few minutes, you're going to see a gorgeous Marble-ite shower.
I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Okay, so showroom here, we've got 2 different showrooms within the factory.
Yeah, I built this one in the last year. So.
And how long does it take to get a custom order start to finish?
So generally we're running, well, things are a little slower these days for sure, but generally within 2 months or so.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, like we can, but orders, as far as orders go, we do in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
2 weeks for the culture marble, 4 to 6 weeks for the Marble-ite.
Well, that's amazing.
If you're installing yourself.
Right.
If we're doing it, it's a month, 6 weeks.
Okay.
Before we can arrange our installers to get there and stuff like that.
Okay.
And bathroom renovations as well, we're running about 2 months right now.
Okay.
Because I do the complete bathroom renovations,
Yeah,
start
top
to
to
finish.
bottom.
Top to bottom. So I sell, faucets and toilets and
Everything.
stuff like we sell everything.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
You're like
yeah,
a one-stop shop.
One-stop shower shop. It's on our trucks.
I like it.
One-stop shower shop.
All right,
Yeah.
well, coming up, we are going to be visiting a homeowner's bathroom, and they are lovingly inviting us in to showcase exactly what we've been talking about, the one-stop shower shop.
And Emily, they were customers 30 years ago.
Wow.
So they were return customers. The only time we ever see return customers when they move.
We're coming up on Morning Live. Don't go anywhere. Okay, we have gotten out of the showroom in the factory, and we've actually come to someone's home to see what it looks like in your space. Now, Rudy, you were kind of responsible for coming in here and taking out the before and now putting in the beautiful after.
100%, Emily. What we do the complete bath renovation as well. So we go from design to finish. That's what I call it, right?
Okay.
So I was called here by this homeowner to design this bathroom, and they've got this was just a small little corner tile shower. There was a little vanity here. That was actually a glass wall over there, a big tub over here.
Wow.
And they wanted to they just purchased the house, and they just wanted a nice, big, comfortable shower. And how do you do that? Well, MM Products specializes in custom shower bases and walls and stuff. And I always say to people, design the shower to fit the room.
It's beautiful.
Don't go by nominal size, 5 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot.
It's so big.
And as we notice the custom shape, Emily, we can make any shape, any size shower, one piece base, no grout, no chance of leakage. Easy to maintain.
And the no grout goes back to the cleaning, right?
100%.
No mold, no grout, no problem.
Yeah. The homeowner, believe that or not, these homeowners purchased this house only a year and a half ago, and they were a customer of ours from the 90s.
Oh, wow.
So 30 years ago, we did a shower in their house, and when they moved here, they found this tile shower. We have some photos of what it did look like. Hopefully you can see some of those, and they right away, we don't want a tile shower.
They called you right up.
They called me right up, right? And the beauty of our product, and this is our Marble-ite product,
yeah.
Gorgeous. And I always tell the people as well, when you're doing the vanities, just to tie everything together. We can actually do the countertop.
Is this the Marble-ite?
Yeah, it's the same. This is our product. Yeah, same product. So it just ties everything together.
Yeah.
And it's gorgeous.
It's really, really pretty. Now, how long did the whole process take from beginning to end?
This bathroom here took, I believe, about 3 weeks.
That's it?
Well, this was a big one. So this was made, like I said, this thing was
you had to tear it all down.
Gutted. We have photos and stuff. I don't know. We can show those or not, but.
Yeah,
But if you saw what it was to this, I know that these homeowners are extremely happy.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. Why wouldn't they be? It's beautiful in here.
And the problem we had, I like doing this cut corner thing, Emily, because you see this little space here.
Yeah.
If that was square,
it'd be harder to get to the toilet.
And you walk into the glass. I don't like designing like that, so made this nice walkway.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And I always say to people, design your showers to fit the room. So that's what we've done.
Wow, it looks spectacular.
Yeah.
And we've learned so much from you, Rudy, over the years that I've known you, from how to kind of go from start to finish and what products you trust and the best way to go about it. So thank you so much.
Like for 40 years, Emily, I've never tiled a shower. I'd never recommend tile to anybody. People come, well, we can tile it cheaper. Yeah, you probably can. That's true.
But don't do it.
But talk to homeowners that have had it for 30 years. Never go back to tile.
All right. Well, thank you so much for having us. It's been a real pleasure.
Good.
We'll have all the information on our website at chch.com.